Okay, so before I start this video, once again, I want to say thank y'all for 5K. I'm almost, already at 6K. Y'all know I'm on the road to 20K, but the next giveaway is at 10K. Okay, but let me tell y'all something. So I was talking to my friends at work, and I asked them, I said, so when I hit 10K, what y'all gonna get me? So let me tell y'all what they told me. They said they gonna buy me a camera. Two of my friends, one of them is a little more special than the other one. I ain't gonna call no names, but you know who he is. But they told me once I hit 10K, they was gonna buy me a camera. So this is what I need y'all to do. I need y'all to share, my YouTube. Tell people to subscribe to my channel. I need to hit 10K before Christmas because I want them to spend that money before Christmas. So listen, I ain't gonna call y'all out in this video, but just know, get ready to come up off that money because I'm about to get that new camera, y'all. I need y'all to help me to get to 10K before the end of this year. And since we speaking of cameras, in this video, I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown on the cameras that I use. Like, a lot of people be saying like they can't do YouTube because they don't have a camera. Look, right now, what you're looking at right now is the new iPhone 12 front-facing camera. Usually, I'm using the iPhone 11 Pro Max front-facing camera, but this is what happened to my phone. My other camera fell directly on top of this. So, I had to go and get my, I think this is the regular 11 right here. I had to start back using that one. Front-facing camera. Now, I'm gonna put in some different clips so y'all can see the difference in quality. In the front-facing camera, I never record in 4K. Never record in 4K on the front-facing camera. Always record in like 1080 because whenever you go to edit it and save it, it don't really look as good because your front-facing camera, like, it's only a 12 megapixel camera, so 4K ain't good for the front face. But before I get ahead of myself, I need y'all to go ahead, like this video, drop a green emoji, and after the video is over with, come back and leave another comment. And if you ain't subscribed, then what's up?
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big loving boom cuz. Let's do it. The big like a boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Been being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and let bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch gon' hit the door. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he real lost stars. Used to pull up and shut up the water. Now I'm showing the shit on that target. Let's do it. Hot little boy on that hot boy.
So, a little bit what this video is gonna be about is my choice of cameras. Anytime I talk to y'all in the car, I'm recording off the front-facing camera. So I'm a girl, and I gotta see myself. I gotta see what's going on. Anytime I'm recording anybody else, I'm either using my G7X or my T7i. If you know about cameras, then you know what I'm talking about. But I'm getting ready to show y'all. So this is a G7X. I would use this to mount up here, but the flip-up screen, like my camera mount, it don't hold it in place for the flip-up screen. I'm finna show y'all. This is what this one looks like. That screen ain't gonna fit in there. So this is the view of the G7X. But I feel like whenever I'm talking to y'all, this right here is good enough. But now don't sleep on the iPhone's back cameras because they look real good. Alright, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max back-facing camera. Oh, don't pay attention to that spot. It put too much detail on that. But it look real crisp on here. Look at that. Yo. Stop playing with slime. That look good. But also, I'm sure y'all can hear the difference in the microphone quality. But yeah, it's dirty. Right here is Like I said, I think it's the regular 11 Max. Whichever one came out before the 11 Pro Max. This is the back-facing camera recorded in 1080, 60 frames per second. Now, if you really want to do like real high quality, then this right here is the G7X. I got it in 1080, 60 frames. You can see it's more crisp, but either one of the cameras look good. You do not have to have an expensive camera to start YouTube or to either do YouTube at all. It's a lot of big YouTubers that just still use their phones. But I use my phone and my camera. But a lot of my intros, I use this and I use my T7i. I don't have that with me, but I've used it in my intros. See if I can get y'all a little driving footage with this new camera. Listen, I'm tired of y'all telling me in the comment section, put your seatbelt on. It do be on, look at it. I just don't like it all up here. It's like, it's in the way. Made me feel like I'm a child in a car seat or something. But yeah, my seatbelt do be on. Thank you for your concerns. Stop playing with slime. About to do a launch control real quick. Different day, but the same video. Right now I'm on my way to take my car to the shop that's gonna do the hydro dipping for me, so they can take these pieces off. My film actually been in for about a week, but I'm just not making time to get around to take my car to the shop to get them to take the pieces off. I'm not sure how long the process is going to be, but I'm sure she's gonna let me know whenever I get there. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on whenever I arrive at the shop. So I just got here at the shop. I'm about to go see what they talking about.
Goddamn, twin. I already know we about to do this bitch. I got more in this bitch. Let's go. You already know, play in this bitch. You know the fuck. Let's go. Come on.
Drop my tape on the ass 94.
So I'm getting these pieces done. Let's see what that pink looking like. That look good. You got a yellow you could put it up against?
I got a bright yellow.
It look good. What you think?
I like it. It's bright.
I like it too. It's gonna give me more of a female touch on the car the next time now.
Right. Yeah. And see, like, what we can do is switch it up. Like, say if we did like the base of this in pink or whatever, like all of it in pink. Unless you want to do like one cover in pink, one in yellow, but we could either do it that way, or we could do like mainly all the parts, like the main color be pink, and then like do your words in yellow, and then you can kind of switch it up. Like you could do all of this stuff in yellow, or kind of switch it up between.
I like that, all that in yellow.
Everything, like basically do the main portion in pink, and then all the accents in yellow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm excited. You want anything like say on these, I kind of have a little bit of room where I could like put a decal or something. You wanted to say anything anywhere, or like
maybe
nothing?
Slime pack or something like that.
Okay.
If you could do that.
You want your at slime pack, or just slime pack 392?
What you think? Come on, you what you think?
I don't know. I mean,
You could just do the slime pack underscore 392.
Okay.
That'd be fine.
That's pretty much your name on everything, ain't
Yeah,
it?
YouTube, Instagram, yeah.
Yeah, that would be cool. That'd be good. Yes. I'm excited. Cannot wait. Yeah.
That look good though.
That's gonna be bright. That's gonna be nice.
I'm excited too. No, I'm looking at it now.
Yeah, you're gonna be going all out now. Yes. It's gonna be wild.
And still, it still got some black up under there, so it'll still make it look, more aggressive.
Right.
Black.
And then it'll still have the black and the pattern too.
Yeah.
It'll be black, white, pink, and yellow.
You said you got the film?
Let's see. As a matter of fact,
Let me give him a little sneak peek.
look, I can already even give you a whole sneak peek, because I just so happen to have pink right here.
All right. That's gonna look crazy. So it's gonna be ready tomorrow?
No. Patience, honey.
Right?
It's about to go through a whole bunch of stages.
Okay. I got
Yeah,
patience.
that's
I got a little
good.
patience.
That's gonna look good. The main part of it is making sure it's good and clean.
Right.
That's what takes the longest amount of time. Once I get
Getting
it
all the
good,
grease off.
yeah, once I get it good in degrees, then I can start working, and I'll be pretty quick with it. Yeah, can't wait. It's gonna be bright.
What kind of Mustang is this?
Mach 1. It's nice. It's automatic though, so.
You like man?
Yes. I like to bang them gears. Yeah, I keep looking at it. That's the first car I wanted whenever I was in high school, and my daddy said he wasn't buying no Ford, so I never got one. So I fell out of love with them, and then this is one of our one of our regular customers. So every time I see it, I'm like, man, I would still take one.
You got some speed to it?
A little bit. It's nice.
You said it's nice. It ain't too impressive to you because you said it's nice.
It's nice.
It's nice.
Hey, I'm starving for speed, so anything is nice for me,
Right?
Anything that I can play around in.
But just keep me updated.
I will. I'll let you know as soon as I get like some pictures of like processed pictures, and I'll get you. I'll send some over to you. That way you can see what's up.
You want to say something to my YouTubers?
What's up, YouTube?
Hey, it was some people in the comments section. They were like, "They're my people right there." They was like, I said, "Hey."
Well then.
Hey, they knew you.
What's up, my people?
I appreciate it.
Robinson County, so everybody knows.
Oh, yeah, everybody your people.
Everybody's your people.
All right then.
All right, honey. Well, I'm ready.
So as y'all can see, the process for the hydro dipping has started for the pieces under my hood. I know I asked y'all for some color advices in a few videos back. I think 2 or 3 videos back. But I also had 2 colors in mind already, and that is hot pink and yellow. So them the 2 colors that I'm going with. I'm gonna have more colors in due time, but hot pink and yellow is what I'm going with for this project right here. Y'all see I gave y'all a little sneak preview of the film that she had laid out on the table. That graffiti stuff, that's gonna be what it's based around, and it's gonna be the hot pink and yellow color in that or whatever. It's gonna be, the process is gonna be a little bit, because the stuff has to be clean and sanded down and all this other stuff, but I got patience for it because I don't be popping my hood no way. So it'll give me more time to think of, okay, what I'm gonna do next. So if I should get those pieces, then maybe I can just bring some more pieces. So thank all of y'all who suggested colors. I love all those colors. Now some of y'all suggested some other colors I'ma still add them colors in, but for right now, it's just hot pink and yellow that I'm focused on right now. It's gonna be some more colors, you know. Y'all just stay along with me through the process and through this build. I'm gonna do the interior also. I'm gonna finish some more stuff up under the hood, but like I said, that's in due time. I'm gonna put their contact information down below in the description. Y'all hit them up if y'all need any hydro dipping if you're around my area in North Carolina. Yeah, that's the end of this video.
In the block getting busy, we play with no secrets, I'm tripping. This week got me spilling my liquor. The choppers got bins on the bottles, I don't give a fuck about the bitch, I'ma fuck all the sisters. Say you want to smoke, you can get it. We out here thugging big lots, we ain't running for shit. Bitch, we loaded, so shit gon' get lit. I'm stacking investors for future moves, trying to get rich. Let's keep